Hey, welcome to another video of Ryobi. So, as you guys know, I got a nice trailer behind me that we're sleeping in at the property of Grid. But there's also this nice cottage here that's getting built on the property. As I showed you guys before, this property is right on the lake here. Well, at the end of the summer, it gets a little bit cold at night. Now, this place is not finished yet, but here's what we're using to keep it warm. There's the 150 watt power inverter here and a 1000 watt power inverter. The 150 watt power inverter part number is RYI150BG, and the 1000 watt power inverter model number is the RYI1030AVNM. Sometimes we're also using the 800 watt power inverter, which is the same as this. I have a video that compare both of them, and I can see the little difference. You can look at that in the link up here. So for the cottage, there's a propane tank here that runs the fridge and a fireplace. But the thing that we need, because there's no solar panel or nothing like this on the property here, is to be able to run the electronic for the fireplace and this stuff. So that's where the power inverter gets to be pretty handy. So this little fireplace here is perfect to heat up the cottage for now. But you can start it with the propane. The trouble is, without the electricity, you cannot have the fan motor blowing the nice hot air everywhere. So this is where those inverter gets to be pretty handy here. So you can power up your inverter. Just the 150 watt works. So apparently it worked for about like 4 hours last night when it was heating up the place here on a 6 amp hour battery. I just have a 4 amp hour battery right now. We're going to do a test of how long it runs on another video, but in this video is just to show you that the fan's gonna be able to run with this. So now that we're plugged in, I can just power up the inverter. Now I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but the fan is running right now. And then we're going to stop this one here, like this, and then I'm going to show you about the 1000 watt power inverter. So we're gonna plug in this one here, because this one is gonna be able to tell us how much watt is actually using. So we're gonna turn it on. So our battery's fully charged. Well, it's supposed to be fully charged. If we press the button again, we can see it's using 51 watts. So yeah, you won't be able to run the fireplace fan all night with this, but you can run it for a few hours. So, you know, warming the place up for a few hours, or if you have a power outage at home and you have a fireplace that's actually plugged in, then you can warm up your house for a little bit. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy, and then we'll see you in the next video, and let's give you one more things to know that you can run with your inverter.